Hello, dear colleagues. There are many things that English teachers need to fit into their limited class time. Grammar, vocabulary, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Pronunciation often gets pushed into the bottom of the list. Many students say there is just not enough time to teach pronunciation. Students often think it's not important. After all, it won't be tested on their tests. Learning letter sounds is one of the first steps in learning to read. And while most consonant sounds come easily to kids, vowel sounds can be entirely different monster. For one, vowel sounds are not felt as much in the mouth as most consonant sounds, making it harder for kids to hear them. Do you have difficulties in teaching pronunciation? I do. Even if we make our students repeat the words correctly, they usually make mistakes while reading and speaking. How do we know they have problems? My favorite way to find out what sounds kids hear in words is to closely watch them spell or misspell simple words. They will begin trying to include the vowel in words. Oftentimes, they may use the wrong vowel if left to spell independently, such as F-E-N for F-A-N, fan, and that's okay. And this is a sign that they can hear that something comes between the F and N and helps you know they are ready to learn more about them. Let's see a demo lesson and learn more on teaching short vowel sounds. After the lesson, we will discuss more. Hello children! Welcome to English class. How are you today? I hope you are all doing great and ready to continue our English classes. Now children, let's remember the alphabet and sing ABC song together.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y and Z. Let's learn the letters of the alphabet, so when we spell and when we read, oh, we won't forget. So sing the ABC with me, ABC in the alphabet song. Are you ready to say the alphabet? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's all the letters that you need to know in the ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Good job! Now let's remember the vowel letters in English. They are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. You'll watch the video and remember the pronunciation of short vowel sounds A, O, I, A, A.
Introduce each other. I am A, 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 A. I make the sound A, A, A. A, A, cat. A, A, cat. I am short vowel A, A,
Okay, it's my turn. I am E, 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 E. I make the sound eh, 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 red, eh, eh, red. I am short vowel E, eh, eh. All right, now me. I am I make the sound I, thin, thin. I am short vowel I.
Ooh, is it my turn now? I am O, 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 O. I make the sound dog, dog. I am short vowel O, O. Yeah, it's finally my turn. I am you. I make the sound nut, nut. I am short vowel U, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. We are the vowels. We are the vowels.
Good job. Now listen and repeat. Sound A. Bag, gap, hat. Sound E. Egg, elephant, bat. Good job. Sound E. Pig, fish, lip. Sound O. Octopus, dog, box. Sound A. Umbrella, rug, upstairs. Good job, children. Now look. What's the difference? A is in cat and A is in paper. E as in red, E as in bee. I as in sit and I as in find. O as in not, O as in go. U as in bus, U as in human. Right, children? Sounds A, E, O, A are short vowels. Good. And sounds A, E, I, O, U are long vowel sounds. Now, children, choose the correct short vowel. For example, you have word cat or plane. What do you choose? Right, you choose word cat. It is a short vowel sound. Next, snake, cap. What do you choose? Cap. Bee, bell. What do you choose? Right, you choose word bell. 10, teeth. What do you choose? Yes, you choose 10. It is a short vowel. Hot, note. What do you choose? Right, you choose hot. Cup, cone. What do you choose? You choose cup. Good job. Now let's try to read the words. Words with short vowel sounds and words with long vowel sounds. Let's read together. Alligator, eggs, iguana, octopus, umbrella. These are short vowel sounds. Ape, eagle, ice cream, ocean, unicorn. They are long vowel sounds. Now let's repeat together. I read and you repeat. Man, ran, pen. Short a, bed, fed. Led, read, wed. Short e, bid, did, hid, kid. Short o, cob, gob, job, lob. Short a, cub, hub, nub, rub. Okay, children, that's all for today. Thank you for coming. Goodbye. Dear colleagues, I invite you to our tea time. While teaching pronunciation, make sure you first have the alphabet repeated and identified the vowel letters, since during the lesson you are going to work with vowel sounds. First, be sure you are teaching the correct sound for each vowel. Sounds simple, but several of the vowel sounds vary similar, and this can be tricky. Use picture cues and keywords to cue the correct vowel sound. Picture cues can be placed in the classroom and on the students' desks. Use word families fat, bat, rent, cat. Consonant plus AT. Learning word family patterns help kids to see that words spelling are connected. And because they can read or spell one word, they can read or spell another word too. For example, if kids can read and spell cat, C-A-T, they can read and spell other words like rat, mat, hat, fat, or even that flat. This is very powerful. The key is introducing word families one at a time, especially at first. Once a child is comfortable with that family, move into another word family. Provide frequent opportunities for students to practice short vowel sounds. In my lesson, I asked students to repeat. Have your learners repeat several times the sounds are being taught. Use the cards or tables with words. Use not only single words, but also put them into some phrases or in the sentences. Practice makes perfect. Don't ignore teaching pronunciation in your classes, since it is one of the important aspects of any language. Dear teachers, thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.